How's it going, guys? Today I want to do an update to my DWS 06 Plus video that's actually done pretty well on YouTube, where I review the tires that are on actually this car right now. In the video they were actually on my WRX, and that's the car that this is normally on. They're always on these the STI BBS wheels, but I plopped them on here because we drove down to Gatlinburg and Tail of the Dragon here from Pennsylvania, and just want to give an update on just how they're doing. I don't even know how many miles they have right now. They probably only have like 5,000 miles like total on them, and I just recently put like probably 1,500 miles on them, and they're doing excellent. Like, I love them. They're great. This is like my second or third set of them. They just absorb bumps really good. They get you through all like the standing water, rain, things like that, so they work as an all season. But obviously we drove Tail of the Dragon on them, so they're pretty good as like just a general, like, you know, general tire for your car. And actually I just got done at an Autocross with them, which has prompted me to do this video, and let's take a look at them right now, honestly. So that's after 8 Autocross runs. I do not Autocross on these tires normally, but they were already on the car, and we were doing an event where I was actually working the event, and I didn't want to swap to my race tires just yet, so I went on these ones. You can see there's a little bit of like graining on them, obviously, but an Autocross tire would do that too, so that's not like, that's understandable. The edges here, they held up really well. Honestly, they were actually kind of fun to drive on. I mean, I wasn't getting competitive times by any means, but they were actually fun to drive on. I got to like play with the car would dance around a lot. It would, you know, break loose and everything, and the car was just, car set up pretty good as is, but the balance was good, the tires performed pretty good. I mean, they're an all season, you can't ask too much of them, but overall, I just gotta say, like, these tires are just good for everything. Again, they're not gonna get you like the best times, don't worry about the times, but I'm amazed at how well they actually held up. I'm just amazed at how well they do driving on the highway. Like I said, they're comfortable, they get you through, you know, standing water and things like that really good. So like, if you got to pick one tire, right, and it's got to do everything, including even snow. This car doesn't see snow, but when I put them on the WRX, it sees snow. If you got to have one tire that does everything, these are the tires right here. Go get them. So anyhow, just wanted to do a short little update. That's pretty much it, but go buy them. No affiliation. They're just really good tires. That's my review. I drive on a lot of different tires. Including this weekend, I think I drove on, I don't know, like 4 or 5 totally different sets of tires. And yeah, these ones, very surprising for what they are, for being an all season. They were fun. So peace out, talk to you guys later, and hit that like and subscribe button. See ya.